Welcome to Saba Academy. My name is Freebody and I'll be your tutor for today. So in the previous lesson, we looked at auxiliary projection method of finding the true length of a line, okay, where we chose this view and then we projected that. So this time I want us to choose this view, okay. We'll choose this view and see the outcome, whether it's going to be the same or different. So as usual, you would draw your auxiliary projector on both ends of the chosen view. So like I said previously, the auxiliary projector is perpendicular to the line, okay. The line you want to project, your auxiliary projector is perpendicular to that. Now with that done, we know our mutual projector is always to the vertical when we are looking at top view and then front view. Okay, if it was top view and side view, then our mutual projector would have been horizontal. Okay, so just take note of that. Right, so with our mutual view, mutual projector, right, and then our auxiliary projector, you can then draw our reference plane XY, okay, which is since we are looking at top view, front view, our reference plane XY would be horizontal. And then if we're looking at front view, side view, then our reference plane would have been vertical. Okay, so always take note of the views you are working with. Right, and then our second reference plane X1, Y1 is perpendicular to the auxiliary projector. So at some length along the auxiliary projector, I can have my auxiliary projection plane. So this would be X1, Y1. Okay, so then as usual, you come to XY and then take measurements from XY to all the points, right, and then you transfer that to X1, Y1. So at XY, B is on the reference line. So if I take the projection of B, it is also on the reference line. And then if you take the projection of A along the mutual projector, that's 5 centimeters or 50 millimeters. So along the projector of A, that would be at this point, right? So along its projector, 5 centimeters is like that. So if I am to join the two lines, okay, if I join the two lines, okay, this becomes the true length of line AB. And if I measure this, I get AB as 75 millimeters. Contrast that with the previous one, that was 76. Okay, so still within our margin of error, right? So that's the other way of drawing the true length of a given line.